What's up, Hamilton Slime? We're going to be making some fluffy slime today. Now it's not very fluffy because I've been playing with it a lot. Like this. I like doing this. Now, your ingredients are going to be some Elmer's glue. Doesn't have to be Elmer's. Saline solution, contact solution, shea foam. Now, like Harlow said before the video, if it's still sticky when you make it, keep playing with it or add some saline solution, alright? So, before this, I already added my glue and stuff. So, let's just add some more, I guess. Alright, so I think I've got a tiny bit more, which is good. Now I'm adding some saline solution. Then I'm using my shea foam because, well, let me mix this first. Alright, now I'm using my shea foam. I'm going to add some more. Now, this stuff is really fluffy when you first make it, but as you play with it, it gets less fluffy. Oh, it's coming out of the bowl. Now see, I mean, it's not very sticky, it's just wet, so I'm going to add just a tiny bit more saline solution. Oops, sorry.
It's okay, it didn't hurt.
Now I'm just going to keep playing with it. So, I don't like to be that person where the slime doesn't work. So, if this doesn't work, I'm so sorry because usually the no glue stuff does not work when people post it. But I feel like Elmer's glue, it helps it, like helps the consistency. So if this doesn't work, I'm so sorry. But if it does, I hope you like your slime. And thank you for watching.